Greetings everyone, I'm Surabhi Kalsi, a master teacher with the Diana Cooper School of White Light. Today I bring you this beautiful invocation for Kuan Yin's pink dragons. Kuan Yin is one of my most beloved ascended masters to work with, and she has really helped me in softening my heart and to hold an attitude of gratitude and forgiveness towards myself and others. And her compassionate gaze and her energy is this beautiful, gentle, warm embrace. And her pink dragons help us in dissolving karma. So I'm going to read out this invocation, and you can use this invocation to call in the pink dragons and then just dissolve any karmic imbalances that you may be facing. So you can say this out aloud. I ask that Kuan Yin's dragons pour their light into me and dissolve any etheric cords that tie me to others or any past experiences that do not serve me anymore. I ask that this happens under the law of grace, dissolving all karmic imbalances at all levels of consciousness across time and space into eternity. Kuan Yin and her dragons are waiting to work with you. If you would like to know more about ascension and to know more about dragons, or even consider being a spiritual teacher, teaching about dragons and ascensions to many others, do get in touch to set up a discovery call with me, and I would be delighted to answer any questions that you may have.